I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm so excited to do this video. I've been wanting to do this video forever, and I don't see nothing out there on YouTube like this. So I will be the first. Let me stop. So anyways, guys, so you guys should already know I am obsessed with dental hygiene. I know. So anyways, I have so many videos on dental hygiene, so I am just adding another one to the mix. So let's say we went to spend the night at our boo house, right? Went to go spend the night with our man or our lady, and we know they like morning kisses. So we don't want to kiss nobody with bad breath, right? So I just woke up, have not brushed my teeth or anything like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sneak in their bathroom and be fresh and clean, and you can have your morning kisses, okay? You definitely don't want to use their toothbrush because that is disgusting. That is disgusting. So basically, you're just going to look to see what they have in their bathroom and use that, okay? So I already did my little scavenger hunt, so I'm going to show you what I found. So I found some cheap mouthwash, cotton pads. So I found these. So of course, if you find like a cotton pad, don't use the first one, you know, use the next one. So I found some coconut oil. You guys know I love my saltwater rinses, so we got that. I also found some toothpaste and floss as well, so that's good, right? Vaseline for the lips. And I also found some Q-tips. But first, I'm going to show you guys what my mouth looked like before. I promise you I would not brush my teeth at all. No brushing, okay? And we're going to come out with some fresh, kissable lips, okay? All right, guys, don't judge me. I'm doing this for you. All right, so here's the before. Disgusting, I know. Gross, right? So yeah, my teeth has like some stuff on it. This is a no judging channel, okay? All right, so I'm going to grab this cotton round, and then I have my toothpaste. So if you don't have one of these, then you can use some Q-tips. You can use some Q-tips as well. It should have at least some Q-tips. Okay, so I'm going to take some toothpaste and put it on here. First, I'm gonna wet this a little bit because I don't want it to be like really dry on my teeth. And then I'm gonna spread it out like this. Then I'm gonna just get some toothpaste and apply the toothpaste on here. So we're just gonna put some toothpaste on here, right? Since we don't have a toothbrush. Okay, we're going to brush our teeth with this.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of
and our gums, yeah.
us are gold and our gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold and I'm golden.
Alright guys, so we're never quite done without floss, okay? And if you don't have any floss, girl, we're gonna have to have a conversation, okay?
So,
Okay,
at the
so
top
let's
for
grab my
me.
floss.
Never thought the loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you.
I have a whole video on just flossing if you don't know how to floss. So I'll link that right here so that way you guys can check it out.
Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are gold and our gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance, take a
That means I'm doing really good with my flossing.
Get next to me, get next to me.
Hey, let's keep going.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me.
No blood, guys. Woohoo! Alright guys, so now it's time for us to do our tongue. Okay, so we got our toothbrush and clean. So I'm gonna get a little bit of toothpaste and put it in here. Drop. Okay, are you gonna drop? There you go. So a little bit of mouthwash. There's a little bit of coconut oil as well. Remember, you never want to pour coconut oil down the drain. So you're gonna have to spit it out in like a paper towel or something and then put it in the trash. So I have my mixture like this. And if you don't have this pad that I'm using, then you're gonna have to use your fingers, okay? Okay, so let's do this. I hope I don't gag. I hope I don't gag. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Alright, so if you have a really bad gag reflex, you could just do this with your finger, okay?
Feels like the two of us are golden and gold, you see. What do you got, so take a chance, take a chance on me. It's magical when you are.
Alrighty guys, so we're done with our tongue. Now we're going to rinse our mouth with some Listerine. You can use Listerine or the coconut oil, but just remember, do not spit it out in their sink. But we're gonna just do Listerine. Okay, cheers. Alright guys, so the last part, we're going to rinse our mouth with some salt water, okay? So the salt water is going to help with bacteria and it's going to lessen the minty, breathy smell. You don't want to be too minty because it's like, did you just get up and like brush your teeth? I love salt water rinses because it helps with bacteria. It really helps even everything out, and then your breath won't be smelling too minty and you won't taste minty as well. So just gives a very even kill and it gets rid of all of the bacteria in your mouth. So let's do a salt water rinse. So we're just going to pour some salt in here, shake that up and rinse. Alright guys, so we are completely done. We just have one more step. So I don't know if you noticed, but I washed my face. So of course you want to wash your face and then you want to have something on your lips to give it that moist, soft feel, right? So I'm just going to use that Vaseline that I found and just put a little bit on my lips. Anyways, let me show you guys my fresh breath. Alright guys, so I had to move around because it looks white in certain areas in my bathroom because all the lighting I have in here. But this area shows more of a pink color on my tongue. So here we go.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time.
Definitely help this video get out there to the world because nobody wanna, you know, kiss nobody with no dragon breath. So if you're married, single people, we struggling out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Oh my gosh, I really enjoyed making this video. I think this would be really great as well if you find yourself over brushing and you just need to give yourself a break. You need to give your enamel a break. This is a great alternative to do that instead of using that brush.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid of